this video, I'll be showing you how to randomize a list in Microsoft Excel. Okay, say you have a list of names, items, maybe you want to shuffle them all up. This is how to do this on Microsoft Excel. Okay, first of all, we are going to click on the cell which starts everything, and we're going to use the rand function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we're going to type in equal to rand. We're going to open our bracket and press on enter on our keyboard. All right, when we do this, a random number on integer is generated, okay, between the range of 0 and 1. We're going to run this throughout our list, okay, and from here we select everything including the name or the list that we have, and then we sort it. We sort the names with respect to the numbers. Okay, by doing this, our name will be shuffled. Our names will be shuffled. All right, from here we just delete this column since we don't need it, and we have our shuffled list. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe.